back with another video review slash tutorial. Today I have two faux lock headband wigs, and they come from Aliexpress, and it comes from this store called SOKU Braid hair store. So this is the card that they give you when you get your purchase. Yeah, I'm so excited to be reviewing these for y'all, simply because I love these faux lock. I love these faux lock braids. It's so pretty. I got one like in a color 1B/30, and I've worn this one before and I washed it, so it's a little bit nappy. And I did get my newest one in the mail, which is like a color 1B. They are $38.99, and honestly, it kind of does take like a month to get here, but it's so worth it, y'all. So worth it. So also they gave me like just a headband as a gift for it. So they give you the cheetah print one. But y'all, this is like this is so bomb. Like, okay, so the cap construction. So it comes with an elastic band, and this elastic band is like really grippy. So when I tell you, when you put this on your head, it won't move. It will not move. You get a comb at the front and also one at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. It's so cozy. Like, it's cozier than like any other headband wig I've ever put on my head, like, for real. So just like other headbands, you can just do like a look, you know, any type of updo style that you want. It's real soft, y'all. Like, you can just throw your fingers into it. But like I said, I did wash this one before, and you know, I just washed it with some wig shampoo and then like put a little mousse on the boho part. So it's like a boho faux lock wig. So just check out the color. This is it's like 1B30. 1B30. So it's just like you can do your up and down hairstyle. You can do two pigtails if you want to. I'm not gonna really like put those in like two pigtails because I don't really want to make it like nappy all over again. But I used to always put it in like a really cute ponytail style. Y'all, I love this hairstyle. Like, y'all have no idea. I love this big ponytail. And from here, if you want to, you can just try to put it in a bun, which you can. It's so gorgeous, y'all. I'm just telling y'all the many things y'all could do with this. Like, oh my God, so pretty. So pretty. So cute. Boom. Boom. So soft and cute. Alright. So that's this color, and then my next color is just the 1B. Alright, so this is my 1B color, y'all. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. I like this one. It does look a little bit more natural. So gorgeous. I'm not gonna mess this one up yet, but gonna hold it up, see what it look like. You know, like if I were to put it in a ponytail, and it definitely would look like this stuff. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna put the link to this right down below. Please stop at the store, y'all. It's gonna be on Aliexpress.com. Go to SOKU, S-O-K-U. Look up SOKU. Go to their braid hair store. $38.99. Like, it's worth it. It's so worth it. Very convenient and so worth it. They come in this color, the color that I just showed.